In any product development program, the most expensive mistakes often become visible when they are already difficult and expensive to correct. Sometimes after the mold is built, sometimes during the first trial parts, and sometimes only when the complete product is finally in your hands. But these mistakes usually begin much earlier. An unclear design decision, the wrong supplier selection, a missed DFM or mold flow risk, or a critical decision taken without enough clarity. By then, money has been committed, time has been lost, and responsibility is often spread across multiple parties. That is why we created LaunchGuard. LaunchGuard is an end-to-end program governance system for high-stakes product development programs. It governs the program from product design governance through RFQ management, supplier selection, pre-tooling, tool development, trials, mold buy-off, shipment and installation. But one distinction is important. Hongyi JIG does not personally design the product or manufacture the mold. Design specialists design, toolmakers manufacture, suppliers execute. Hongyi JIG provides the governance layer connecting these parties and critical decisions. We make risks visible early, review critical decisions, keep responsibility clear, track and escalate deviations, and ensure clarity before irreversible decisions are taken. Every major stage progresses through documented reviews and defined decision gates. For the customer, this creates earlier risk visibility, clearer decision ownership, and stronger control over the development program. LaunchGuard does not promise a problem-free program. Its purpose is to make costly mistakes visible, while there is still time to prevent them or reduce their impact. Because successful product development does not depend only on good designers or good toolmakers. It depends on the right decisions, in the right sequence, under the right governance.